Good evening, everyone, from Pen Prince Publications, stall number E83. Today, we are celebrating Shoma Chatterjee's short story book, Walking in the Rain. When it is this warm Saturday afternoon, it's almost evening, in fact, we are celebrating stories, moments, Kolkata Book Fair, sounds and sights and smell and whatnot. So now we have someone who is so acclaimed as someone who is writing about film journalism, film criticism. From there, when she is walking in the rain, the slices of everyday life, all the mundane realities, and something where stories are formed in a kaleidoscopic vision, we have none other than Shoma A. Chatterjee with us, and Shomadi will now talk a little bit about her short story journey and also walking in the rain, and she will also read from her stories. So, first of all, mm, very, very warm welcome that you are with us today. You have taken some time out from your busy schedule and you are here in Kolkata Book Fair. How do you feel in this 49th Kolkata Book Fair this year with your new short story collection?
I'm feeling very happy and very proud of Pen Print especially because though I have written about 34 books, this is one of the best produced books in terms of the production value of the book and the aesthetic value of the cover, the binding, the printing font. Everything is so reader friendly and so good that I cannot imagine that in 34 years, if I have published under British publishers also, but there also the production values are not good. And I must thank Sritonni for allowing me to become a short story writer once over again. After four published books of mine of short stories were not recognized at all by readers. Now, thankfully, I think according to her, she is saying that it is being received well, and I hope it will be received well. These are 11 short stories in all, which she said yes to, and I have written them. Part of that is surrealism, part of that is magic realism, but most of them are from my personal experience. Somehow it struck me somewhere that I have to put it down on paper. And I put it down on paper, and though they felt that I felt a little bit diffident about writing short stories, but I went ahead because this is my fifth book actually of short stories. But unfortunately, nobody has heard of the earlier ones. The first one was published by uh, P. Lal's book publication, Writers Workshop, and that was he marketed it, and it was okay received. I won't say the others. I don't even know whether they were received or not. Yeah, one was published by Rupa called Baker's Dozen, where there were 13 stories, and that was also reviewed very well. I don't know whether it was sold well or not. It's now out of print, and then I wrote another one. Acha. I wrote another one, and then I picked up 11 stories which were not published in any of these books, and I approached Sritonni with the project, and she took the last story, Walking in the Rain, and gave that title to this book. I left it to her to give the title, and her husband has done the cover design, very beautifully done, good color combination. And thank you very much for inviting me to the 39th Kolkata Book Fair for this particular occasion of specially launching my book all over again.
Thank you so much. In fact, if I remember well, when we had this initial discussion with Shomadi, I never wanted to do a book on film again. I knew it was like a treasure trove. I knew it, but I really wanted to go through her short stories. In terms of marketing, I told that she is very popular as part of film journalism, film critic, writing academic books on films. We all of us, we are so accustomed to read her works on films, but I really wanted to do something because I found the stories, whether it is about city life, whether it is about everyday love relationships, marital relationships, vacuity in relationships, or even newer dimensions that are added to human life every day when amenities about that. I really wanted to explore these stories. I wanted to bring these stories to our readers. And the moment that we discussed about books, I told no, I am eagerly waiting to go ahead with this collection of short stories. And from Pen Prints, we will take the manuscript for the short stories. So this is how I think it all started. And I must say that out of all the popular short story books from Pen Prints that we have till now, Walking in the Rain is one of those which is ruling the charts in number 5. Or rather within number 5, so people are actually showing their interest because she has written this book so well and from different angles. And so I find random readers coming and reading 1 or 2 pages, and then they're telling that okay, please pack one copy for me. So I think this is where they are discovering Choma Chatterjee for a completely from a new perspective, because they are so accustomed to go through the film criticisms and her columns on films, all the writings that are full of the film studies and everything. But short stories is a different genre altogether. So my question will be, since you had also lived in Mumbai, and Mumbai appears not just as a locale, but Mumbai appears as a character, almost like that. Mumbai is very palpable in your short story. So how do you talk about the setting of the stories in different cities in your
They
narrative?
are all inspired from real life, my real life experience, but I will not be able to pinpoint exactly whether which story started in Bombay and which story is located in Kolkata and why, because they were written over a scattered period of time, very scattered period of time. So I don't really remember where I have where I have located the story. For example, Walking in the Rain, I don't even know. I have not mentioned the location in most of my stories, so I wouldn't be able to say. But it has been the ambience of each city which has influenced my writing to a large extent, because the characters are settled there. The characters and my stories are mostly character centric, not necessarily location centric. So, and relationship centric, as you already said. So, but I was satisfied. I'm very satisfied writing short stories, but unfortunately, publishers are not interested. I'm slotted into that film criticism slot, and therefore, nobody is. Very few publishers are actually interested. I went to so many publishers with my short stories, but nobody was really interested. One was published by Rupa, which did very well critically. I don't know about the selling part, but it is now out of print. But it's there on Amazon, I think. It was called The Baker's Dozen. And the other one was I said a writer's workshop. The third one was published by a publisher who no longer exists. All right, he has closed shop. But those stories were also very popular for me, and I have very surprisingly. I mean, I was very surprised when in certain parts, in certain cases, some of my stories have won prizes at competitions. So that's about it, I think. And one story, not in this book, in the other book called Her Stories.
Yes.
It has been taken for a short film.
Okay, congratulations
Thank you.
about that.
I have not seen the film. It's over now.
Okay.
But that fellow is a madcap slightly. So he said, "Hoye gele dekhabo, hoye gele dekhabo." So I'm waiting for the day when I'm going to watch my own story put on the large screen.
Okay, so we will now request Shomadi to read a few lines or maybe a paragraph from her short story book, from any one of the stories that she likes.
Okay. It wouldn't be that it's boring.
Act paragraph.
Okay. No, I don't mind, but I read from Faceless because many people liked it. Long ago, when I was around 14 or 15, I had seen a series of pictures on the walls of a posh home I visited with my father. It was one of those old structures that have now been consecrated to the brutal, modern, sophisticated guillotine, conveniently called a development, aided and abetted with and by the collective conspiracy of real estate people, promoters, builders, local politicians, their goons, etc., etc. You see massive multi-storied ugly structures come up to fill the empty space after a heritage building has been pulled down, leaving small hillocks of broken bricks, bits of walls, rubble throwing out cloudbursts of dust, window frames, Venetian blinds crafted out of wood and painted in aqua green as temporary remnants of history, nostalgia, uh, and forgotten architecture. These are soon removed to make place for the new concrete mixers, the cement, the mortar, the bricks, and the scaffolding, till the construction workers and their families troop in, their skinny shoulders drooped by poverty, to set up camp. This is
Uh,
about a young boy trying to find out his mother, and he finds a frame without a picture, and he tries to look for the mother, but he never can find his mother.
Thank you so much. Yes, if it is about Kolkata Book Fair, it's about discovering your stories also. If you are coming to E83, please visit Pen Prints, where we have a whole new range of short stories, memoirs, Bengali short stories, fiction, non-fiction, photo books, illustrated fiction, and all our books are available all throughout the year on Amazon India platform, Amazon Global Links, all the links are active, Flipkart, Pen Prints, and also in Google Books and Google Play Store. We would like to ask, since we have Shomadi over here, what is your opinion about the current reading scenario, or any kind of, for creative writing, any kind of suggestion for the new writers, since you have also written volumes of short stories. For we are discovering so many new things about poetry. Short stories are very different genre altogether. So what is your suggestion about our new writers?
I think writing fiction, especially, is very inspirational. It is not from Tagore or from Sharat Chandra or from Bankim Chandra. You write your own stories, and every individual has a short story inside him or her. Unfortunately, they don't have the power of expressing that in writing. Otherwise, all of us has a short story inside us from our life experience, from experiences around us. I don't think that you need any special kind of a reading to become a short story writer. Everybody or anybody can become a short story writer. The only thing is that you have to have the facility of language. You have to have the facility of language that can come through reading, writing, but reading and writing need not be specific of a particular genre or particular author. You can read anything, and you can even read newspapers. For example, as a journalist, I get tremendous inspiration from newspaper stories to do my articles on gender or on human rights or whatever. Thank you very much,
Thank
Sitani.
you, Didi. Thank you so much for your time. And the book is here. Those who are book lovers, please don't forget to buy your copies of Walking in the Rain. Believe me, it's one of its kind by Shomai Chatterjee. Come to Pen Prints E83. The book is also available online, but today, if you come, she is always here. With us in the book, but at the same time we have her right now. So if you are here, do visit Pen Prints in E83. You find Walking in the Rain. Thank you so much for your time today, and we hope that we get to have more such short story books and moments from you. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, Sitani, for publishing my book, for publicizing it, showcasing it in your stall in book fair, and also for taking this small interview of mine. Thank you so much.
Thank you.